Is it the right time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into QQQ. We previously shared an initial report on our website on Thursday, December 21, 2023. Now, we're excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Stay informed and never miss an update. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important to stay updated on our latest analysis to ensure you don't miss any crucial information that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. By tapping into the power of artificial intelligence, you can receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 1, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.21. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Overall, the stock has shown a gain of 4.57%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.3% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is experiencing a strong upward trend, which can present a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell. It is likely that the price will react and move towards the lower end of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $410.83, it could indicate an even stronger rate of upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.71% change expected in the next 3 months. This means that investors could see a return between 5.86% and 15.58%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 40.79% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 25.06% and 41.6%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $509.95 to $577.41 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings good news as Thursday marked a green day for QQQ. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF price saw a gain of 1.16%. It started at $403.08 and closed at $407.77. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $404.47 and a high of $408.14, showing a 0.91% fluctuation. It's important to note that the price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, experiencing a 4.44% increase over the past 2 weeks. However, on the last day, the volume fell by -8 million shares. In total, approximately 45 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $18.43 billion. It's worth considering that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $410.47, while the lowest price was $259.73. At present, the price is 0.66% or $2.70 below the 52-week high of $410.47, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for QQQ, the ETF. The QQQ ETF shows positive indicators as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This suggests a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is expected support from the lines at $405.65 and $388.47. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it may issue sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the prices gaining. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which may influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a minus 0.340% fall so far. It is anticipated that there may be further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 3 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 33 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 36 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels, QQQ has some interesting ones to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $364.70 and $359.97. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For QQQ, that would be at $359.97 and $343.66. QQQ is known for being traded at a good volume and experiencing minor daily changes, which contributes to a relatively low risk. In fact, in the last day, the ETF moved $3.67, 0.91%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.97%. Before we discuss the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest lower expectations for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $409.16. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $394.71, reflecting a decrease of 3.2%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 2 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there may be a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, indicating potential volatility in the market. Looking ahead to Friday, December 22, we anticipate that QQQ will open with a decrease of 98 cents, starting at $406.79. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source to base your investment choices on. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you find our content valuable, remember to like and subscribe. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.